thrust has been increased. No pushback required as we are quite far out from the terminal building. So we're going to turn left here to taxi to the runway. Yep, we're turning left here. The runway is behind us. That was the sound of the engine speed passing the resonant range. The reason being we are accelerating to the exit point, and we are the first in line to take off. Exit which leads onto the runway. So we just saw an EasyJet aircraft landing. We are the first in line to take off. Let's hope there are no further delays. We're just waiting for that aircraft to vacate the runway. And once again, this is Airbus's latest model, the Airbus A220-100. And we are about to take off, bound for London City Airport. Okay, there are no other aircraft landing behind us, so this is it. We're taking off now. Okay, full takeoff thrust is being applied right about now. Very short takeoff run. That noise was the...
Mesdames et messieurs, nous comptons garder votre ceinture de sécurité attachée lorsque le signal attaché votre ceinture est allumé et lorsque vous êtes assis. Nous vous recommandons par ailleurs d'ouvrir les coffres à bagages avec précaution afin d'éviter la chute d'objets. Ladies and gentlemen, remember to keep your seatbelt fastened while the sign is on and whenever you are seated. We can ask you to open carefully the overhead lockers as objects good for now. Nous avions informé le passager voyageant en classe économique que les toilettes sont situées à l'arrière de la cabine. We'd like to inform our passengers flying in economy class that toilets are located at the rear of the cabin. Mesdames et messieurs, c'est votre maître de cabine qui vous parle. Je souhaite vous donner plus amples informations concernant le service à bord de ce vol. Le menu Swiss Saver se trouve dans la pochette de votre siège. Vous avez un ample choix de boissons ainsi que d'encas disponibles sur ce vol. Pour les passagers voyageant en classe affaires, ces mêmes produits vous sont offerts. Pour les passagers voyageant en classe économique ayant choisi l'option Flex ou l'option classique, un snack vous sera offert sur ce vol. Pour les passagers ayant choisi l'option Light, vous avez la possibilité d'acheter des produits de ce même menu qui se trouve dans la pochette de votre siège. Merci et très bon vol. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your maître de cabine speaking. I'd like to give you some more information regarding the onboard service. The Swiss Saver menu is located in the seat pocket in front of you. We have a large choice of drinks and snacks available during this flight. For passengers traveling business class, all these
Now the
products
flaps
for
are
free.
being retracted.
For passengers traveling in economy class holding a classic or a flex ticket, we're glad to serve you a complimentary snack. After this, passengers holding a line ticket, we have the opportunity to buy articles from the menu. Thank you and have a nice flight.
I was just saying the first noise that we heard was the screw drive used by the landing gears to retract the landing gears into the wheel well, and now the flaps have been retracted and we're in proper flying configuration, climbing up to probably about 31,000 feet. We can see the snow-capped mountains in the distance. Miles to London City Airport.